Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can start earning up to $300 commissions by posting simple ads on your social media. All right, so to make this happen, you're gonna need three things. First thing you're gonna need is a product, a good product, something that can earn you up to $300 commissions and something that's easy to promote, right? The second thing you're gonna need is a social media account. So whatever your favorite platform is, whether it be Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, even a YouTube channel, as long as you got at least one of these things, you're good to go. The third thing you're gonna need is a system, right? You're gonna need a strategy. You're gonna need something to tell you what to post and when to post, right? That's all you need, them three things. And this is where IPS, Infinity Processing System, comes into play, all right? Because Infinity Processing System is a system that allows people to start generating $50, $150, and even $300 commissions, all right? So what is the IPS system? This is a system that teaches people how to make money with affiliate marketing using their social media. So how you're going to start earning these $300 commissions is there's three different levels you can come in at with IPS. The $50 level, and that will allow you to earn $50 commissions. The $150 level, which will allow you to earn up to $150 commissions. But to be able to earn the big dollars, the $300 commissions, you need to be at the elite level, which is a one-time $300 fee, which is well worth it. All right. So once you come in at the $300 level, you will be able to earn $300 commissions. All right. But here's the cool part. Once you're at this level, you're going to gain access to everything you need to promote the IPS platform. Everything you need. You're going to get over 200 pre-written ads that you're going to be able to post on your favorite social media accounts. So whether it be Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok, you'll be able to already have the ad. So you don't even got to think. You don't have to sit and figure out what to say. You also going to get images to go with these ads. So you can post images by themselves, or you can post these images with the text ads, whatever you feel comfortable doing. But everything you need is laid out step by step in the Infinity Processing System, right? So it's basically one of those, I hate to say it, but a copy and paste system. This is a way to start a true online business that can start generating you a six-figure business. All right, so it's easy as I said it is. All you need to do is take action. Once you become a member of IPS and you get your login information, everything is laid out for you. All you need to do is follow the steps and be consistent. That's the key to be successful with IPS. Be consistent, right? You want to pick the platforms because they teach you, like all the major platforms, they teach you how to promote on each one of them, right? Now, to be smart, I would only start with one, maybe two of the system that you feel comfortable using and just go hard with just one or two of the platforms that you feel comfortable using, right? Be consistent and start generating those commissions. Now keep in mind, if you're at the $300 elite level, you can still earn the $50 commissions, $150, and the $300 commissions. So you're going to be getting commissions, all sizes, $50 commissions, $300 commissions, $150, right? The sky is the limit. All you need to do is become a member, plug into the system, follow the steps, and be consistent. All right. One more thing. Once you become a member of IPS, no matter what level you're at, you'll get access to our private Facebook group. This is where you can find me, communicate with me over there, and even the owner of IPS is over there. She's always interacting with people over there as well. And it's a team community vibe where we're helping each other out, helping each other get commissions. All right. So if you've been looking for a legit online business opportunity that you can build, right? This is it. This is it. If you're on that affiliate marketing, you want to start seeing commissions, this is your opportunity to do so. If you have any questions, leave them below. Once you become a member, you have direct access to me, so you can ask me anything and I'll help you out any way I can. All right. So if you want to get started, you already know, click the first link in the description of this video, get started and start making that money.